Model, 2017 Mercedes Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI MWB high top. Fully working fridge van Euro 6 No Vat bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 275,299. MOT, the 24th of July 2026. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HP Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly, loads of MOT, very well maintained fully working fridge van. Ignore the mileage. This starts and drives fantastically, ready to get in and go straight to work, with no VAT to pay. Grin.